कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोग का काम है कहना, बट देखो यार हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है तो आप सुनते रहना. So now we'll talk about the things that happened later in the show. You ditched Diptanshu for Ticket to Finale. Why was that?
The whole equation started in a very different way initially. He was all over me, he loved me, liked me, whatever the statements. When Nia ma'am asked, do you like it or do you love it? So he said love it. तो मैं तो पागल ही हो गई कि भाई मेरा आइडियल मैच मुझे मिल गया है, मेरा खत्म हो गया. I was just happy because मेरा connection बन नहीं रहा था वो feeling wise में. तो it started off very well. It started off really nice, so much energy, so much of love and care. And for example, when he got to know I might just choose him, जहाँ पे भी मैं खाने के लिए बैठ रही थी, if Ron is sitting here, he would come and keep the plate like this. He would pull the chair and come in between, and he would just start eating. It's not talk.
Very childish.
And it was very childish, but it was making me so happy.
Like he owns you.
Yes, obviously any girl would like it.
Yeah, of course.
I genuinely I was not feeling bad for Ron at that point because Ron had stepped back. कि चलो उसको उसके साथ explore करना है तो ठीक है, but he was like देखते हैं कि ये इसके साथ कैसे घूमती है, ये मेरे साथ कैसे घूमता है. He genuinely was in between us. He would never let us have like a normal conversation. बीच में आके बात करता है, इससे बात कर, इसको साइड में लेके जाता है या मुझे साइड पे लेके जाता है. ये इसका बिहेवियर था. तो आई थॉट मे बी ही रियली वांट्स टू बिल्ड द कनेक्शन, blah blah blah. Again, let's cut to lot of tasks where I felt like I was supporting him even when he was not playing well. But whenever asked to him, he used to always say like मेरे नी में दर्द हो रहा है या आज दिन अच्छा नहीं था. वैसा मैंने उसको कभी डिमीन नहीं किया है किसी के सामने भी. तू क्या परफॉर्म ऐसा करता है कि तू अच्छे से परफॉर्म करता तो मैं जीत जाती, ऐसे सब मैंने कभी वो वर्ड्स यूज ही नहीं किए थे.
He was not a good performer. That's what you're saying.
Yes, he was not a good performer when compared to other boys who were very strong.
Okay.
Even Ron was strong.
But no, the other boys were very, very strong.
Very strong. So when compared to that, he was a model. He just came from the modeling industry. He was not prepared for Splitsvilla tasks. For example, मैं क्यों ये चीज़ बोल रही हूँ कि मैंने 1 साल उसके लिए unconsciously काम किया था कि what if I get splits?
Yeah, because I saw you giving audition for Roadies. I was there. I was
yeah,
the
you
insider.
took my insider. She was an insider.
Yeah.
Oh.
When she auditioned for Roadies, I was there. I saw. And then I couldn't even recognize you, bro, when you did splits.
Why?
I don't know. They were so like बहुत अलग दिख रही थी, तो I couldn't even recognize you.
I had put on and I was well prepared. Like I was trained by a gym trainer and everything. जब call आया मुझे splits का, I was ready for the show. Like I would even fight with a guy and would win.
Oh.
Like I was like, at least I would fight with Diptanshu and I would have win. I don't know about other guys.
Okay. So Ticket to Finale, you dished him because he was not a good performer.
One of the reason is that, and बहुत सारे ऐसी चीज़ें कि मेरे पीठ पीछे ये बात कर रहा है, मेरे पीठ पीछे वो बात कर रही है, वो ऑडियंस को दिख रही है. मतलब लेट्स से उसने जो बोला, फर्स्ट थिंग उसने जो बोला कि ऐसे लड़कियों के मुंह ना लगो, उसके बाद हमारा डांस का एंटरटेनमेंट चैलेंज था. आई एम सेइंग दैट आपको पता है मैं एक नेशनल लेवल डांसर हूँ, उसमें भी मेरा मुंह उतरा हुआ कि वी नेवर एड्रेस दैट इशू दैट ही हैज़ टोल्ड इट और नॉट प्रॉपरली. तो उस जर्नी से मैं लो होते जा रही हूँ. येस, माई परफॉर्मेंस वॉज गुड, बट रियलिटी में मैं इतनी खुश नहीं हूँ. जो रियलिटी होती है ना हमारी विला के अंदर, उसमें मैं खुश नहीं हूँ. मैं परफॉर्मेंस दे रही हूँ अच्छे से बिकॉज आई एम अ डांसर. मैंने तगड़ा परफॉर्मेंस दिया है, तगड़ी एक्टिंग की है. आई हैड टू बी सुजैन फॉर एग्जाम्पल. मुझे सुजैन का रोल करनी थी and I have nailed it. I had become Suzanne for a day.
Oh, nice.
And Diptanshu had become Vishu. And Suzanne had to be me and Vishu had to be Diptanshu. So we had, every contestant had to change roles and all. Entertainment challenge mein wo acha tha, whatever it is.
That day.
One by one I will say.
Yeah.
Why did I...
Then you left him because...
So first, let's say he told to Harshit that I hate Sandy. That came out very differently to me. Then he said, Sandy जैसे लड़कियों का मुंह नहीं मारूंगी. जब उसको पता था कि मैंने स्प्लिट कॉइन्स एक्स्ट्रा ले लिए थे बाय मिस्टेक कैलकुलेशन की वजह से, उस दिन हमारा प्राइवेट में बहुत बड़ा झगड़ा हो गया था पर्सनली. he yelled at me, he screamed at me, like he took my hand and then he just like pulled me very hard, and then he made me sit. Like he wanted to calm me down, but it was not necessary to that point.
Okay.
But I asked sorry because I thought I made a mistake. So unless and until I didn't ask him sorry, he didn't like he went out and he said, Sadav, usko bol sorry मांगने के लिए, वरना देख क्या करता हो, and all he said to Sadav. And Sadav made me explain कि bro, probably somewhere he thinks that he might look bad in front of his alliance and something. I know that you have made a mistake, but he thinks that probably you must have taken all the money to just sit on the throne. I was like, I wanted to sit on the throne. I took 7,000 extra. So let's say I had 10,000 split coins. So I had to take 10,000 extra to sit on the throne. I took 17,000.
Okay.
Okay? And that was a very different, chal, nikal. I was in his villa. So he spoke to me in that language and I thought, okay, now I have fucked up.
And this is not on television.
No, it's not on television. But definitely I must have told it in the VDs later after. While eventually why that I was suffering from the inside. ये चीज़ें हुई. I asked sorry, but he doesn't know that I have been affected by what has happened at that time because I saw a very different side of his.
Yeah.
He did take a stand for me in front of everybody, but that happened. He just pulled my hand so tight and he just made me sit, and like it was very weird. That situation was very weird. And after that there was a task जहाँ पे I am a very pompous when it comes to tasks, very competitive and everything. He pulled my hand again. He pulled me back again with that thing, and I have a little trauma of somebody holding my wrist because of my past.
Okay.
So I just get triggered when somebody like holds my wrist. That's the only time I get triggered. Anybody, girl, boy, mother, father, whoever does it, I just get extremely angry. So when somebody does it, so what happened is pulled me and he's like, तू मंद बुद्धि है क्या करके. He said it in front of everyone during that task.
So the other जो अभी आएगा.
हाँ वो दिखेगा अभी. वो 100% दिखेगा. वो मेरे को ये हो गया अंदर से कि how could he call me मंद बुद्धि? Like I consider myself like very confident and very smart and very logical and very down to earth kind of a person. From where did you get that word like to call me मंद बुद्धि? So that after that task, I was just crying near the beach. All the producers came to me. My mom has sworn on her saying that you will never cry for a guy on a national television. तू जाके कहीं भी रो ले, कहीं भी रो ले, पीछे रो ले, आगे रो ले, वॉशरूम में रो ले, विला में रो ले, जब कैमरा नहीं है, because it will make you look very down. Yeah, it will make you look down because you're a very strong personality and it should always come out like that. Even if people hate you, it's okay, but people should think that you're not some
बिचारी.
कुछ भी चलेगा but बिचारी नहीं दिखो बस वैसा. तो mom also she has her own ways of saying it and everything. उस टाइम पे क्या हुआ कि वहाँ पे मैं रोई इसमें, but जब announcement आया जैसे प्राइस का जो किसने कितना कमाया है, ये है वो है, तब मेरा सारा मुंह उतर गया था. Like there were like those nishans of me crying, my eyeliner is smudged and everything, but I'm still like holding up like that. He's like, क्या हुआ? Because he doesn't know that I cried for so long, or nobody knows from the contestants that I cried. Only producers know who came to me. Bro, especially Nishta, she came to me and she's like, bro, तुझे क्या हुआ करके. मैंने बोला उसने मुझे ज़ोर से खींच के सबके सामने मंद बुद्धि बुलाया है मेरे कनेक्शन ने, और मैं मंद बुद्धि नहीं हूँ ब्रो. अब एक मंद बुद्धि को थोड़ा बुलाओगे, थोड़ा सा स्लो है उसको चलेगा, मैं स्लो नहीं हूँ. तो जो भी हो वो मुझे बहुत इफेक्ट किया उस दिन की. भाई जब भी मेरे को चांस मिलेगा मैं इसका मुंह ना लगूं. तो मैं वेट कर रही थी, चलो अभी मैंने इसके साथ अभी इतना कंटिन्यू कर ही लिया है तो मैं करूँगी आगे जाके भी. उसने उस टाइम पे सनी मैम ने बोला तेरी जो ज़ुबान है, सबको पता है दीप्तांशु तेरा ज़ुबान कैसे चलती है, यू शुड हैव अ कंट्रोल ऑन इट.
Yeah.
Because
that is so disrespectful saying that to your partner.
Yes, in
who's
front
so
of everyone.
fucking strong and like intelligent. How can you say that?
I used to ace in all the tasks. I used to do everything properly. When you say down, when you say up. तो left right में थोड़ा सा problem होती है मेरे को, थोड़ा सा problem है. When you say left, I go right. So थोड़ा सा वो है मुझे confusion जो भी है.
वो भी दिखेगा आगे शो में.
हाँ आगे दिखेगा. It's like way highlighted on the show. Like literally Sunny ma'am have to come and write this is left and this is right Sandy. So I used to look at this and just say right left right left. पता नहीं वो क्यों ऐसा हो रहा था.
किसी को 2.5 और 1.5 में भी फर्क
So
नहीं
वो
पड़ता.
accumulation of all the insults and no love from the other hand, it was completely in the point of game. Yes, you didn't give me commitment. Yes, you didn't give me hopes. But that is not what I was for in the game. You insulted me in multiple places and in front of multiple people. And it just kept accumulating. मैं बुरा लगा, रोई, मूव ऑन हो गई, सॉरी बोला, हो गया. बट एक चीज़ होती है, 2 चीज़ होती है, 3 चीज़ होती है. Then it came up to my self-respect. When it came up to my self-respect, I was just like, you know what, let's not talk. हम बात ही नहीं करते थे लास्ट तक. हम सिर्फ जो टास्क होता था उसके 10 मिनट पहले आते थे, बोलते थे कि सैंडे ऑल द बेस्ट, दीप्तांशु ऑल द बेस्ट. कुछ बात नहीं करते थे हम लोग. सिर्फ ऑल द बेस्ट, जीतेंगे, जो भी फिनाले जाना है, सेमीफिनाले जाना है, ये वो ऐसी चीज़ें होती थी. एंड एट वन पॉइंट गॉड गेव मी अ चांस टू चूज.
And you took that.
And I was a little hesitant. Obviously, I've been with this man for 2 months. कि इतना टाइम मैं बाहर कैसे दिखने वाली हूँ. वो कशिश वाला सीन ना हो जाए मेरे साथ. ऐसे नहीं कि चलो कशिश को हो गया, उसको बिग बॉस हो गया. I'm not talking in that way. The trauma that she's gone through.
Yeah.
It is not easy. We know how hate feels like. It might look like it's not affecting, but it does affect in some or the other way. So मैं वो चीज़ सोच रही थी. उसके बाद मैं दीप्तांशु के बारे में सोच रही थी कि and then I asked them one thing. Is he getting eliminated? They said no. He's not getting eliminated. He will have someone to play with. But you really have somebody really very strong on the other side waiting for you. So I was thinking, who is this? So I thought it is Vishu.
Okay. You didn't know it's Tain.
No. Because I in my wildest dreams, I would not think that Tain would take ticket to finale. And
But why did Tain ditch Sadaf and go ahead? Because
I guess eventually it started getting toxic, but they were just together for the sake of game. That's it. So when he just got the opportunity of being in the finale, he just grabbed it.
मतलब तुम्हें पता नहीं था कि टेन उसको डिच करने वाला है?
नहीं, we were kidnapped. They said VD. मैंने बोला अभी you know how we behave while
yeah, don't talk. They keep saying stuff like that.
हाँ VD. तो उसने बोला रैंडम अच्छा सा ड्रेस पहनो बट VD पे जा रहे. मैंने बोला नहीं सैंडी, बहुत खाना है, बहुत सारे स्नैक्स है, तेरे लिए स्पेशल कॉफ़ी है, बाहर से मंगवाई है, ये सब बोल के मुझे उल्लू बना के मुझे लेके गए ये डाल के, क्या बोलते हैं वो, आई मास्क, आई फोल्ड, वो डाल के लेके गए. उसके बाद सीधा लेके गए एंड उर्फी इज देयर एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड अभी मेरी फटने वाली है. एंड दे आर लाइक सेम डायलॉग्स दे सेड, लाइक उर्फी सेज लाइक दीप्तांशु हैज बीन यूजिंग एंड इट्स लाइक नहीं, दीप्तांशु को है मेरे से प्यार, है मेरे से प्यार, है मेरे से, वो दिखाता नहीं है. सैंडी, हु आर यू फूलिंग? दीज वर वर्ड्स ऑफ उर्फी कि तू किसको करे, हम सब दिख रहा है. he's not like that into you like the way you're thinking you are. बहुत सारे insults accumulate हो गए and then eventually I was feeling like his actions were not matching with his words and he was trying to protect somebody who is outside. वो evident हो गया था मेरे को कि there is somebody for him that he has. I don't know if the person was a backup or something, but there was somebody. When I just started feeling it and analyzing it and I started detaching myself from him, I got to get the whole picture in a bigger way. And then I thought, okay, मैं इसको क्यों help करूँ आगे जाने के लिए? Let me just choose myself.
Yeah.
I chose myself.
Were you happy?
Yes.
Are you still happy with
I
that
was
decision?
sad there, but I was definitely happy with the decision I made. मुझे बुरा लगा था कि he immediately said that मैं भी होता तो मैं भी ticket to finale लेता.
What if you actually win after this decision? Because the task has been done and I know that you have performed really
Then
well
it's
on
the
the
best
show.
decision she's taken
And
in her life.
हाँ.
what if you win? Do you want to say something? And what if you lose? Give me two different.
Okay. I have achieved so much throughout the season. I know I'll be there till the end and I am there till the end. The show has given me so much already that, to be very honest, I'm not at all thinking about the trophy. Like, I'm not thinking about whether I'll win, I'll get 20 lakhs and this and that.
The prize money is 20 lakhs?
Yes,
Prize money is
yes, it is 20
ये साला
lakhs.
MTV गरीब क्यों था जहाँ हम लोग शो करते थे? They didn't give us anything.
Highest prize money.
You know the motto of MTV, no? It doesn't pay.
Yeah. Boy, you guys paid for the show?
No.
Yeah, but
Oh.
the prize money, it really excites you, na?
Right. The thing is, there are like 4 finalists,
Yeah.
for example, and the main competition is against me,
And
Gullu.
Gullu and
Yeah.
Kaira.
Gullu and Kaira, and Tain and Saundarya.
Okay.
Okay. And here I don't know on what basis are they going to give the prize or something, and I'm not even thinking about it. I was just happy that I was a finalist. I've given a lot for the show. I've done my 100%. If I win, there will be a title.
Don't you think Gullu and Kaira, they have a connection, right? They have been in a relation, kind of. They have dated on the show, whatever the relationship
Yeah.
was. It was actually about love. They kept fighting about that. Or bolte hain, Mia Bibi ki tarah lad rahe. What if they win the show? Because Splitsvilla is about love.
Love, right? For example, let's say...
क्योंकि उसी बेसिस पे हो सकता है.
हाँ.
If you're saying कि सौरभ और निहारिका ने अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं किया, योगेश और रूरू ने अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं किया.
हाँ.
So what if they win?
So first thing is, it's the only season of Splitsvilla where there is 2 ways of winning. One is paisa and one is pyar. So this is the concept of this year. So if somebody is winning on the basis of having money, is also a winner. Somebody basis of relationship is also a winner. And second thing, for example, let's say Hamid and Sondus, they were clearly there in the show for like to pair up with each other. I don't think so they had like a love connection or something where the whole crowd and the makers probably wanted Justin and Sakshi to win the show. So if it was really about that, then I don't know. Like
Damn. Justin Sakshi didn't win the show.
they were the runner-ups, first
Oh,
runner-ups.
I thought they were the winners.
So okay, tell me, if you win the show, what do you have to say? Imagine you have just won the trophy.
Thank you!
Is she gonna
Thank
cry?
you so much!
Okay, one tear will come out now.
Oh my god, इतनी बेइज्जती होने के बाद Finally the trophy is mine, 20 lakhs. इसका मैं क्या करूँ?
Divide करो पहले तो 10 के साथ.
I'll make sure that I first divide the money with Tain, because पता नहीं वो देगा कि नहीं देगा वापस.
पहले तुम receive कर लेना.
And
You collect the
guys,
money, yeah, make
जब आपको प्यार नहीं मिलता है आप पैसे के पीछे भागो, जब पैसे नहीं मिलते आप प्यार के पीछे भागो. So जो भी है, at the end of the day we are the winners of Splitsvilla 16. ये इसके बाद कोई और बनेगा तो मेरा ये नहीं डलेगा ना. Like ऐसे
You never know.
Soundarya being delusional.
Yeah.
Real.
what is that? सारी उम्र
मैं
रे
जोकर.
जोकर मैं बन गया. The most scariest part is you getting that joker on your face. So yes,
You have given me a nice idea though. I'll think
Yeah.
about it.
I will help somebody with that money. I'm not going to give all the money to charity, but I would like to help somebody. Like
Please give it to me.
like somebody's 2-3 people's this one education.
Okay.
Not full money on the charity anyways.
I was planning on going for masters. You can support me.
You want to go to masters?
Suddenly I feel like getting an
You
education.
poor guy. You want my money from Splitsvilla?
Yes. Will you give it to me?
Wearing a Versace watch, he's saying that he needs money guts.
Damn, he kept playing
These
with
men,
us.
I tell you, then they keep
Versace.
saying that women are gold diggers.
They should have gold also, no? To
Yeah.
dig.
But he has a Versace watch.
This
Like,
is just.
मेरा घर बन जाएगा.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. Now,
हाँ.
if you lose it.
If I lose it, it's good. थोड़ा सा मतलब लोग शांत हो जाएंगे कि भाई अच्छा ही हुआ इनको नहीं दिया करके, because obviously we are the last paired couple. तो obviously people might feel like चलो अच्छा ही हुआ इनको नहीं मिला करके. At least hate तो ज़्यादा नहीं मिलेगी, थोड़ा sympathy ज़्यादा मिलेगी जो चाहिए नहीं हमें, but वो last moment में at least चाहिए होगा, because we actually kind of ditched our partners and we moved on. So, but we were, let's say we will be the first runner-ups. तो ट्रॉफी नहीं रहेगी, थोड़ा बुरा लगेगा, but मेकर्स डायरेक्टर्स जो भी देख रहे हैं सोच समझ के.
कोई बात नहीं, दूसरा प्रोजेक्ट मिल जाएगा.
हाय हाय, मैं भी बोलूं कुछ.
घी सकते हैं.
आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं?
She won the game the day she decided to take the ticket to finale. She won the game that day. क्यों? क्योंकि एक इसने रिस्क लिया कि दीप्तांशु के साथ कनेक्शन बनाना है. ईमानदारी के साथ इसने निभाया वो कनेक्शन लास्ट एंड तक. ट्राइड हर लेवल बेस्ट हर चीज़ पे. वो बंदा रेडी नहीं था. मैंने इसको बोलने की कोशिश की, लोगों ने बोलने की कोशिश की, बट she was fully into it. That chance she got, she could have stuck by Diptanshu and never made it to the finale. But there she chose herself. When I found out this news, I walked up to her, I said, good job.
every contestant came up to me and said,
Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
Of course.
It's the
If you
best thing
have
she did.
options जिसमें एक मर्द को चूज करना है और तुम्हें गेम को चूज करना है, you would choose the game, right? और अगर वो प्यार नहीं दिखा रहा है,
हाँ, obviously.
अगर वो
Correct,
प्यार दिखा रहा है
correct.
तो फिर of course तुम उसको चूज करोगी क्योंकि love is really important in your life. But if that man is not loving you the way you wanted to be loved, then fuck him, bro.
Stop. Yeah. Yeah.
That's exactly what she did.
Fuck him.
That's exactly what she
Why
did.
would I choose? And trust me, if I wouldn't have taken ticket to finale and still would have gone ahead in the game, let's say in semi-finals we lost, after 5 days I would go and see Instagram and he's with his girlfriend.
Yes.
Oh my
Yes.
god,
It'd
I
be
would
worse.
have had to go to Rishikesh to take like 200 hours of special training of Vipassana to
Keep your mouth zipped.
zipped and to get out of that trauma. Like
Yeah.
the trauma is reduced because I took ticket to finale. वो भी नहीं लेती तो चलो हम लोग ने सोचा कि काम करते हैं, सेमीफाइनल हो गया, मैं घर जाके दीप्तांशु से बात करने जा रही हूँ और दीप्तांशु का गर्लफ्रेंड, देख भाई सैंडी क्या बोली कि मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तो बाजू में बैठी है. How dare you do that? I mean, he made my job easier actually.
Yeah, in a way he did that.
But he deserved it. Full-fledged. I just shot him where I had to.
I like it.
Right into his ego.
Of course.
Actually.
So fragile it was.
Always ditch the man and choose the
I feel very
life you
bad when
always
she
want
says
to
this
build.
because I love hers and Rishabh's connection.
Yeah. They're very cute together, okay? But then she'll say all of this also. Rishabh's a very
Yeah.
sweet boy.
अरे यार, if the man is मैं ये लाइन इसलिए
Excluding
नहीं
ऋषभ.
मारती हूँ कि मैं ऋषभ को बोल रही हूँ, मैं लाइन ये मारती हूँ कि मेरी रील कट जाए.
वो ऐसे मतलब you like हाँ वो ऐसे.
Yeah. Otherwise, of course,
Okay,
I'm
do
always
it
gonna
once, we
choose
will
love.
react. हाँ.
Real life में I'm always gonna choose love. But if the man is not loving me,
Ready?
तो फिर मैं career ही choose करूँगी because that is the only goal that I always wanted.
Go Shreya!
कटेगा ये कटेगा.
Okay,
Clucking.